everyone. So I thought I'd do a very quick video. I had 2 questions today in relation to should I buy my own materials. I've got a croaky voice, so bear with me. So I find it a double-edged sword really. So if you're going to be buying your own material, I think it could be okay if you are using a lot of subcontractors, you're self-managing, things like that. But if you're going to be using a build team, that takes a lot of reliability and responsibility as well. Because if, for example, let's say you go to LMPG, which is quite popular, you can get discounts, then you order the kitchen, you order the end panel, worktop, sinks, cookers, hobs, extractors, etc. Will that mean that you will also be going with the kitchen designer to the property? Have you got time to be doing that? Will you be the one that's running around? Are you on site every day? Are you local to the area? So you've got to think, buy materials. If you're local, if you're using subcontractors, if you're doing small jobs, then I suppose not too bad. If you're going to be, sorry, someone try and call me then. So, but yeah, if you're doing a small job, subcontractor in the area, yes, good potential. If you're using a build team, they will have already their discounts. Why not go and get a comparable cost? Say they use Howdens, go and try and use LMPG. People say that you're not allowed to do that, but why not, right? It's a comparable cost. So Howdens or whatever kitchen supply, it might even be that your builder use magnets. So they will possibly kitchen supply. It might even be that your builder use magnets. So they will possibly match. If you're buying enough, if your builder is buying enough, it might not be for your job, it might be for many jobs. So what I'd say is, if you're using a build team, let them get their own stuff. Think about it in a sensible way. If you've ordered the sink and taps and everything else, let's say the plumber's on site 8 o'clock, your materials were meant to be there the night before, they didn't turn up. The builder's still there. You can't cancel him. He schedules his jobs day in, day out. If they're late, that puts a knock-on effect for his jobs. So he might allocate 3 days for you, 2 days for the next client. If you aren't able to meet that deadline, you're either going to be waiting now, either 2 days for you when they arrive, and then go to his next client, or you'll be paying him his wage anyway. So you can imagine you paying a tradesman, let's say 150 a day, 200 in London or etc. Now that money you've saved, has that been worth it? The tradesman's let down, charge you £200 that day anyway. You might save £200. Save the heartache. Personally for me, get the build team, help them get good discounts, ongoing for you and others. Let them get all the materials. Things come wrong, you aren't liable. Things come half finished, things come broken. When the tiles come, they aren't the right batch. Anything, just save yourself time. Me preferably, help them get discounts. Go out there and help them compete for prices. Then let them get on with it. They're much more grateful. They are liable. They'll be paying the trades, not you. So I hope it's helped. Thank you very much.